In this question, it is given that three particles P, Q, and R acting on a particle in the plane. The angle between P and Q and that between Q and R are 150 and 120 respectively. Then for equilibrium forces PQR in the ratio. So over here, if you are considering that this is nothing but our P vector, and take it as this is nothing but our Q vector. In question it is given that the angle between P vector and Q vector is 150 degree. So this angle we can take it as 150, and the angle between Q and R is 120 degree. So angle between Q and R is given as nothing but 120 degree. So this angle will be the angle between Q and this R and P. Angle between Q and R is 120 degree. So this will be the angle between P and R, that is equal to 90 degree. So in question it is given that they are in equilibrium. If they are in equilibrium means net force should be equal to 0, and for equilibrium condition we can use our Lame's theorem. So according to Lame's theorem we can write P divided by sine of opposite angle. The angle just opposite to that of P vector is 120, so we can write sine 120 degree is equal to, we can write it as Q divided by the sine which is opposite to that is nothing but, or angle which is opposite to that is 90, so we can write sine 90. That should be equal to nothing but R divided by the angle which is opposite to the vector R is nothing but 150, so we can write that is equal to sine 150. So further we can write this is P divided by, this can be written as sine 120 can be written as sine 90 plus 30 degree, that is equal to Q divided by sine 90 is nothing but 1, that is equal to R divided by sine 150 can be written as 90 plus 60 degree. And we know that the sine 90 plus 30 is nothing but cos 30, so thus we can take it as P cos 30 degree, which is equal to Q divided by 1, or Q which is equal to R divided by the sine 90 plus 60 can be written as nothing but cos 60. Now we know that the value of cos 30 is nothing but root 3 divided by 2, which is equal to Q, which is equal to R divided by cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So we can write this as, we can write this 2 on numerator. So this 2P divided by root 3 will be equal to Q, that is equal to 2R. Now we can, our aim is to find out the ratio of this. That means our aim is to find out the value of P is to Q is to R. So we can write all these values over here. If you want to write it in terms of Q, so we can write from the first relation, that means from 2P divided by root 3 is equal to Q. We can write P is equal to root 3Q divided by 2. So instead of P I'm just putting it this value root 3Q divided by 2 is 2. Instead of Q I'm just writing Q, and instead of R, from the second relation, that is Q is equal to 2R, we can write this R is equal to nothing but Q divided by 2. So we can write R is Q by 2. Now over here we can take this Q common and we can cancel it, or if you are multiplying with 2, so it is going to be root 3 by 2 into 2, that is root 3 into 2, that is 1 into 2, that is 2 into 1 by 2 into 2, that is equal to 1. So they are in the ratio root 3 is to 2 is to 1.